Have you ever noticed how words can impact your mood? The way we speak to ourselves and others can have a profound effect on our emotions and overall well-being. Think about it. Hearing a kind word can brighten your day. A simple compliment or a word of encouragement can lift your spirits and make you feel valued. On the flip side, negative words can bring you down. Harsh criticism or bad news can dampen your mood and affect your self-esteem. Our words have incredible power. They shape our thoughts and feelings. Positive affirmations are like magic spells for your mind. They can help you cultivate a more optimistic outlook on life. They are short, powerful statements. You repeat them to yourself, often looking in the mirror or writing them down to reinforce their message. They help you focus on the good. They shift your mindset from negative to positive, allowing you to see opportunities instead of obstacles. These positive statements can be about anything. Do you want to feel more confident? There's an affirmation for that. Are you hoping to attract more love and meaningful relationships into your life? There's an affirmation for that too. The best part? Anyone can use affirmations. They are accessible to everyone, regardless of age or background. They're simple, free, and they really work. Let's dive in and discover how these powerful words can transform your life. By incorporating positive affirmations into your daily routine, you can start to see real changes in your mindset and overall happiness. Imagine waking up each morning feeling good, with a sense of purpose and joy. You feel strong and capable, ready to face whatever comes your way. You're ready to take on the day with enthusiasm and confidence. That's the kind of positive energy affirmations can bring into your life, transforming your mindset. When you repeat affirmations, something amazing happens. You start to internalize these positive messages. You start to believe the words you're saying, and this belief grows stronger each day. Over time, these positive thoughts become deeply ingrained beliefs. They change how you see yourself and the world around you, opening up new possibilities. This shift in mindset can lead to incredible benefits, both mentally and emotionally. You might notice increased self-esteem and confidence, reduced stress and anxiety, improved relationships, and greater resilience in the face of challenges. These changes can profoundly impact your life. Affirmations are like planting seeds of positivity in your mind. Each positive thought is a seed. With consistent nurturing, these seeds will grow into a beautiful garden of happiness and well-being, enriching your life. Ready to create your own affirmations? It's easier than you think. The most effective affirmations are personal and specific. They should reflect your unique goals and desires. Here are some tips to get you started. Start with I am statements. For example, I am worthy of love and happiness. Use the present tense. This tricks your mind into believing it's already true. Instead of I will be successful, try I am successful. Keep it positive. Focus on what you want, not what you don't want. Instead of I am not afraid of failure, try I am courageous and embrace challenges. Remember, your affirmations should feel good. Choose words that resonate with you and inspire you to take action. Now that you have your affirmations, it's time to put them into action. The best time to practice affirmations is first thing in the morning or right before bed. Find a quiet space where you can be alone with your thoughts. Look at yourself in the mirror. Make eye contact with yourself. Now repeat your affirmations out loud, slowly and with feeling. As you say each affirmation, truly believe it. Visualize yourself living the life you desire. Feel the positive emotions associated with your affirmations. Remember, consistency is key. Make this mirror exercise a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. From doubt to confidence, real-life transformations with affirmations. These simple yet powerful statements can change your mindset and ultimately your life. You might be thinking, do affirmations really work? It's a common question, and it's natural to be skeptical. The answer is a resounding yes. Affirmations have been proven to help rewire the brain, fostering a positive outlook and boosting self-esteem. Countless people have experienced incredible transformations through the power of positive affirmations. Take Sarah, for example. Her journey is truly inspiring. She struggled with self-doubt and anxiety. Every day felt like a battle against her own mind. After incorporating affirmations into her daily routine, she noticed a remarkable shift. She began to feel a sense of peace and empowerment. She felt more confident in her abilities and less anxious in social situations. Her transformation was nothing short of miraculous. Or consider John, who wanted to start his own business but felt paralyzed by fear. The thought of failure held him back. Through daily affirmations, he was able to overcome his limiting beliefs and take the leap of faith. He started to believe in his vision and capabilities. Today, he runs a successful business that he loves. His journey from fear to success is a testament to the power of affirmations. These stories are a testament to the transformative power of affirmations. They show that with the right mindset, anything is possible. If they can work for Sarah and John, they can work for you too. Start your journey today and witness the incredible changes affirmations can bring to your life. Affirmations in action. Applying positivity to everyday challenges. Life is full of ups and downs. There will be times when you face challenges or setbacks. It's during these moments that affirmations become even more important. Let's say you're feeling stressed about a work deadline. Instead of getting caught up in negative self-talk, try repeating affirmations like, I am capable of handling this with grace and ease. I am resourceful and will find creative solutions. By shifting your mindset from fear to positivity, you empower yourself to overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. The science behind the magic, how affirmations rewire your brain. You might be surprised to learn that the power of affirmations is backed by science. Our brains are wired to focus on negativity. It's a survival mechanism that helped our ancestors stay safe from danger. However, in today's world, this negativity bias can hold us back from living our best lives. Positive affirmations help to rewire our brains by creating new neural pathways. When you repeatedly focus on positive thoughts and beliefs, you strengthen these pathways. Over time, your brain becomes wired for positivity, making it easier to maintain a happy and optimistic outlook. Section 8. Patience and consistency. The keys to unlocking affirmation success. It's important to remember that affirmations are not a quick fix. They are a tool for personal growth and transformation that requires patience and consistency. Don't expect to see results overnight. It takes time for new beliefs to take root. The key is to make affirmations a non-negotiable part of your daily routine and trust the process. Just like a gardener patiently tends to their plants, you must nurture your positive thoughts and beliefs with consistent effort. Section 9. Beyond the words, integrating actions with your positive mindset. While affirmations are a powerful tool, they are most effective when combined with action. Repeating positive statements is a great first step, but it's equally important to align your actions with your desired outcomes. For example, if you're using affirmations to attract more abundance, take practical steps to manage your finances, explore new income streams, or seek out opportunities for growth. Remember, affirmations are not a substitute for taking action. They are a catalyst for action, empowering you to move towards your goals with confidence and clarity. Section 10. Spreading the positivity. Sharing the gift of affirmations with others. Once you've experienced the transformative power of affirmations, you'll naturally want to share this gift with others. Encourage your loved ones to incorporate affirmations into their lives. Share your favorite affirmations with them. You can even create a shared affirmation practice where you come together and recite positive statements as a group. By spreading the power of affirmations, you contribute to a more positive and uplifting world for everyone. Section 11. Your journey to a brighter you. Embrace the power of positive affirmations. Congratulations on taking this important step towards creating a more positive and fulfilling life. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality with your thoughts and beliefs. Embrace the power of positive affirmations and watch as your life transforms in beautiful and unexpected ways. Start today and witness the magic unfold.